doing it right now. We gotta open the stuff.
How you go open that?
Open this one.
That's the SSD.
You sure?
Memory card.
What's the memory card?
I think it's 264 because this is a budget build, so. And we got the.
So they got tape on here.
Got this motherboard from AliExpress, right?
Most of the stuff from most of the stuff is really from AliExpress.
Yeah, this is from AliExpress.
Cause we're trying to get a budget.
Yeah, definitely a budget build. Okay. All right, we got some screws.
Oh crap! That was really bad. Look what I did to the box.
Yeah, we got some screws right here. We got a plate. Got a Chinese and English menu. Mostly Chinese, but whatever. Oh man, we didn't even need to get a red one of these. It's just we got
Man, we just wasted money.
It's alright. Well, we got two. We got two of these.
Okay.
Got two of these. Yeah. What you got?
So this is the
SSD.
SSD.
Make sure you don't drop it.
I won't. This is the SSD. I'll show you guys it up close. This is the tray disk solid state drive SSD. Which
That might have been kind of blurry, but
solid state state drive. Like
hey, they already put the.
it's SSD, you know.
So this is the motherboard it came. This is the motherboard that it came with. Let's see if I can get it on here.
It came on a motherboard? Wait, so did we buy a motherboard?
So this is the motherboard it came with. AliExpress. I think it's the X99.
What's this?
That's the GPU.
Alright.
So we're gonna talk about that in 1 second. I'm not sure which one this is, but
I got this.
yeah. So we got this. We got the RAM sticks. Got some RAM sticks right here. 18 gigabyte RAM sticks. So these go. So Pop, I think these go into the orange ones, like.
Don't like break it though.
Yeah, these go into the orange ones. Like this. Slide it in.
Why is it 3?
Huh?
Why is it 3?
3 what?
Orange things. Why is it 3 orange things?
I'm not sure. So here we go. So you actually gotta apply some pressure when you're putting these things in. So you got some tabs right here. You just gotta open up them tabs, and then when you push this in, these tabs should go like that. Heard that?
Yeah.
Voila. So now this is done. That's pretty much trash. All this is
To get to the GPU, right?
freaking trash.
To get to the GPU.
You want to get to the GPU? So the GPU,
We got I think you got the GPU from Facebook Market.
Yeah, I got the GPU from Facebook Marketplace. It's hold it. It's a GeForce GTX 1060 SSC. Now this, oh, you know what? We forgot one thing. We gotta put the I think we gotta put this on here because this, the CPU fan actually, CPU fan got this from AliExpress too.
Yeah, it's got like basically like everything from AliExpress. I think he only got the GPU from.
This this one came with one already. Move that out the way. This is the one we got. Double fan. Here. Go. Just hold it like this on the top or something. That one right there is the double fan. It's a double fan on the CPU. There's one on this side. There's one on this. Hey yo. I'm guessing this is the thermal. Thermal paste. So this goes on top of here, like that. But first you gotta put the thermal paste on it. This GPU goes right about here.
And here is the power supply.
Yep, GPU goes right about here.
And here's this power supply.
So do you want to show them?
65.
Do you want to show them? Do you want to open a? Do you want to open that one? Because you didn't show them that one.
I'll do this one last, and then this one. So this one, and then this one, and then this one. But this is the power supply. It's already open, you know, and it's 60. Is that 650 or 65? Is that 65?
650 watts.
So 650 watts.
So you gotta screw.
This
You gotta screw these into the corner, like so.
Oh.
Screw these in there like so. Do I got a screwdriver? Are you opening it?
Okay.
I thought you was opening the box.
I'll show you guys this.
Oh yeah, show them the Wi-Fi part.
Yeah, let me show you the Wi-Fi port. So it came with, I think these are antennas. I think these two are antennas for the Wi-Fi. And this is the Wi-Fi adapter. And then this is the, I actually don't know what this is. Something. It came with a little disc. Yeah, it came with a disc.
Came with a disc? Oh.
Came with a disc. But yeah, they have that stuff. So those are definitely not trash.
Still trying to figure out. Alright, so let's put this paste on here. Wow, there's barely anything in here. Wow. Barely zero. Pops, you tell me this because you got basketball practice. Yeah, I think your clothes, basketball's game. Your clothes is on a.
Okay, I'll go put my clothes on. You get to do that.
Hurry up so you can help me.
Okay.
Alright, well, he'll be back. I'll continue to put this together. Trying to figure this thing out. I'm guessing it's like a little. There we go. There we go. So we got the motherboard and the fan. We got the fan. Yeah, we got the fan. We got the RAM card. We got the CPU fan, and then we just got to put a GPU. Pop, I need you, boy. I need you, my boy. This was like 25 bucks I paid for this. So, however this works, I don't know. I think this build was about $250 or something like that. So, hopefully we can get some. Now, nobody ever seen this yet. Huh, you can open this up.
Yeah, I want to open this.
You can open that up.
I don't know if I got the white one or the black one. But no matter what one I got, I know it's gonna look good. Okay, I got the black one. I forgot which one I got, but I got black one. Okay. Now I don't want to lift it up because I think I'll drop it, maybe. But like, this thing looks beautiful.
Alright, so let's do. Just break it.
We're supposed to lift it up though.
We got this box off TikTok. Remember?
We did?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Did we get it before it almost got banned?
Yeah. We bought it like last minute.
Oh. Good thing it didn't get banned, so we can still buy some stuff off of TikTok shop.
Yeah, you can get this off TikTok shop. That's what we got.
Oh, don't break it.
Well, I got the box.
Oh my god. I'm gonna break the table and this. That's very cool. Okay. The bag is really like on it. But I got it. Okay. We got the Oh, what is this?
Hmm?
What is
That's the
this?
bottom.
Huh?
That's the bottom. So
No.
go sideways. Like that. Hey.
Ooh! I thought this would be way taller than that.
Thought it would be way taller.
Yeah. I think we can still put everything in it though.
Yeah, we can. So, guess what we gotta do? We gotta take these off. You got the motherboard. What time is it, Pop?
What time?
My phone is over there on the charger. Oh, this is glass. My phone is right there.
6:15.
Alright.
Am I late?
Almost.
Almost?
Oh, this is... That's glass. Oh. It's a little dangerous. Alright, well, this is the inside. So what we gotta do... You gotta turn it sideways. Here goes some. You got the screwdriver?
Huh?
I need a screwdriver. Grab the motherboard.
The motherboard? Oh, this thing is scary.
Do not drop it.
I won't. It's heavy. How do I pick it up? Okay, I'm gonna pick it up like this. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you. The bottom of the actual motherboard is really spiky.
So I need to figure out, hold on. What screws do I need? Because the motherboard has to go right here. So it's gotta be like one of these screws.
Are these yours?
Alright, I'm a little bit lost. Yeah. Well, you want one?
Yeah.
I'm a little bit lost. I'm thinking these screws go in here, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Or maybe these ones. Pop, you're not even helping me, old boy. Alright. So I'm gonna stick the CP, I'm gonna stick the motherboard. Stick the motherboard in here this way. Make sure that goes under there. Just wire out the way. Okay. Stick this wire in here. Come on, Pop. You gonna help me or what, kid?
Yeah. I'm just now learning that I had a game today. What do I do?
I'm not sure. I don't even know if these screws go into